witness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks again for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with another brand new Chevy 2500 HD. Fresh from the dealer to our door. Brought to you by Coons Country. A lot of guys are getting their trucks there. Apparently they must do a good deal. So what we have in the front here, I want to start off showing, is the LED headlight upgrade for the headlights, low beam, as well as an 8-head Wicked slick stick in the grille. We've got other lights in here, but our flood mode is also tied into some lighting in the back, and in the grille as well, we have the flood mode active in the Wicked slick stick. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of warning going on this vehicle. We have a unique install as well as regards to the switches. This truck has the plow preparation package, which gives you the OEM beacon switch from General Motors up on the ceiling. So that is what's activating all of the flashing lighting. One single switch, original equipped, does all the flashing. And to do the steady white, we're using the OEM cargo light switch because we also have the flood mode going in the back. So we didn't have to drill a switch anywhere in the truck. This entire install is activated using two factory switches. The overhead beacon switch up on the ceiling and the OEM cargo switch on the dash. As you can see, we have our 8-head slick stick in the grille. We have our mirror mod kit as well as our auto flasher kit on the roof, flashing the front mirror lights and the roof. We also have a auto flasher kit flashing the rear mirror lights. There's a little better side view of the vehicle. We did incorporate a small pattern switch so we can adjust the pattern of the grille bar. As you can see there, I've sped up the same pattern. And here's another pattern that's going so fast the camera can't even pick it up. It's basically about, I'd say 300 FPM per side, bouncing back and forth and color swapping. Let me show you what we did around the back of the truck. All right, out back, we went with our LED HAW Duo. We've got an HD lens in the reverse and an LD lens up in the cargo. The reason we did that is because we retained the original cargo light, and the LD lens leaves a little bit more room to remount the original cargo light up in there. So when he opens his doors, if he wants to use the regular cargo switch to turn on the original light as well as steady burn all the flood, it does it all. We have the alternating pattern between amber and white down on the Thin-X 28-inch under the tailgate. And you can see the white lights, the rear-facing white lights on the mirrors that the auto flasher module is flashing. As I dim the camera here, now you can see exactly what I'm talking about on the mirror lights there. And here you can see the flood mode operating. When we hit the cargo switch, we steady burn not only the front grille strip, but also the reverse, the cargo, the Thin-X strips, and also the mirror lights are incorporated into that as well. So we have a tremendous amount of white lighting going to the back when we hit that cargo switch to help him with reversing or any other needs. Just to show you flood mode forward, when we hit the flood mode with the cargo switch going forward, the grille, as I said, whitens out, but we don't lose the roof or the mirrors. Those were not affected because they're amber lighting, so we did not affect those with the flood mode switch. Flood mode works with or without warning, but this is what you'll get if you hit it with the warning on. All right, I'm sure you're wondering how much lights this back end put out, so we darkened up the shop. You can see there, the flood mode's off, flood mode's back on, puts out that much light, so easily lights up the shop. I'd equate this to the ability to light up about a 4-car garage or a long, wide 2-car driveway, maybe one of those 6-car deep wide driveways. Very good amount of light. And to the front, you can see there, good amount of light forward as well. All right, I'm going to close this video showing you that Wicked stick in the grill. Yes, that is the 8-head Wicked stick in there. I did have to trim just a tiny bit of the plastic for that mounting, and this truck does not have the louvers. 2500 HD without the louvers for cold weather. If you have those louvers, good luck to you. I don't know how you'll do it because this was shoehorned in there to the maximum capacity. It's literally touching the grill on each side and back as far as I could go without totally molesting the framing back there. So thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Be sure to check out the description for links to all of these products, and keep us in mind, we're your #1 source for LEDs and strobe lights, construction and safety equipment for trucks, cars, vans, buses, and anything that needs lighting.